Good evening. The opening test in the three-match series between the West Indies and Pakistan, which got underway at Sabina Park on Friday, has created some amount of debate and probably anxiety. Debate over the composition of the final 11 for the West Indies and anxiety to see how the West Indies team would acquit itself in this contest, which could by extension give an indicator of the possible outcome of the series. So let's take a look at the 11 chosen by the West Indies, and in particular the batting. It came as somewhat of a surprise that batsman Jermaine Blackwood was omitted from the West Indies 11. When one looks at the batsmen who were selected in the initial squad, Blackwood's 1,128 runs from 22 test matches at an average of 31.33 makes him second only to Craig Brathwaite in terms of the number of test matches played, as well as the aggregate of runs and also his average. Blackwood's omission from the final 11 meant that only Brathwaite and fellow opener Kieran Powell enter the game with any real test match experience under their belt among the batsmen in the team. Now, given the high level of inexperience in the batting department, one would have thought that the selectors would have gone with Blackwood's experience over one of the debutants, Shimron Hetmyer and Vishal Singh. On the other hand, though, one could probably understand the thinking of the selectors to include both Hetmyer and Singh, apparently rewarding them for their level of consistency this season and also the form they showed in the warm-up game for the President's 11 against the Pakistanis. Hetmyer and Singh apparently got the nod based on present form, and this, I think, should therefore serve as a wake-up call to Blackwood that a greater level of consistency is needed if he is to command a regular place in the present setup. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.